Hello friends, I'm your yoga instructor Priti, and today we will be practicing box breathing, means Samavrati Pranayama. It is a basic pranayama technique that helps you to balance your breath, means inhalation and exhalation. In this video, we will be learning this technique in 4 levels. Let's start with level 1, where we will observe our breath. First, sit in a comfortable position. Now take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. While inhaling, expand your chest and draw your navel out to support this process. During this process, you should try to take maximum oxygen in your body. Now, while exhaling, draw your navel in and try to take maximum carbon dioxide out of your body. And relax. Now, focus on the length of your breath. Breathe in and observe that for how long you inhale. To make this process easy, you can count like 1, 2, 3. While doing this, you don't have to force your body, let it breathe naturally. Breathe in and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this, breathe out and count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. You might have observed that your inhalation takes longer than your exhalation, or vice versa. It is a sign that your body lacks the balance. But you don't have to worry. It's quite normal among many people. Samavrati Pranayama will help you to get rid of this problem very quickly. Now in level 2, we would be learning to apply Kumbhak. Kumbhak means to hold the breath. It is a pause between inhalation and exhalation. Let's practice this. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. When you hold your breath, you will notice that thought process has mildly slowed down or stopped. This happens because your brain functioning depends on your breathing. And this is why when you give a pause to your breath, you give a pause to your mind. Now, let's observe this consciously. Inhale. Hold and observe. And exhale. Now, in level 3, we will try to keep our inhalation, Kumbhak and exhalation equal. In simple words, when you breathe in for 5 counts, count 5 again and pause the breath. After this, exhale and count 5 one more time. Now, let's practice this. Inhale and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Lastly, in level 4, we would be trying to take this a level higher. We would be holding our breath after exhalation. It could be difficult for the beginners, but once you reach to level 3, you can easily start with level 4. Now let's practice this. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. And relax. This pranayama technique can reduce stress and improve your mood. This can also lower your blood pressure and provide an almost immediate sense of calm. It can also help to treat insomnia by allowing you to calm your nervous system at night. Box breathing can even be efficient to helping with pain management. And more importantly, box breathing will help your body and mind to achieve the right balance. Be assured that you are always doing pranayama in open space. You can choose garden or balcony, and if you are doing in a room, make sure cross ventilation is there. There should be no insects, pollution or dirt. The temperature of room should be medium, neither too hot nor too cold. Make sure that you are wearing comfortable clothes. Lastly, never practice pranayama just right after your meal. Always give a gap of about 3 to 4 hours after your meal. Hope this video was helpful. If you want to watch more yoga videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.